have we got? Straight away there's the camera. You'd think that would be in a box, in the box. But no, in the box is the accessories. Yay. More stickers reminding me to put in a memory card. A moisture packet as usual. Let's have a look at the accessories. As you can see, another USB-C to C, at least premium. Short though, but hey, supposedly you get better charge with shorter cord. And in the bag for the accessories we have, and we've got a cage, a battery, some sort of lens cover. Let a look. Sticky pad. You can stick to your helmet or something. Oh, I can stick that itself. Put the sticker on charge. Okay. So you got the cage along with these. I'm not quite sure what they are yet. Get some sort of gasket. The sticker to remind you about the memory card, which seems weird. You've got the mount with the sticky adhesive back for your helmet. You've got the mount pin, mount bolt. You have the camera mount that grabs the camera. You have a lens cover in case you damage your lens. You get a really nice thick cord for charging, and the camera itself. And I've downloaded the app and I'm ready to go. I'm going to take it out soon, get some footage, and I'll post that up.